Welcome to the Woodelf Mask. Today I will show you how I made this Woodelf Mask, so have fun. First of all, I would make a sketch and mark all the details. And as you can see, I made a ton of sketches. And I decided to go with this one. And as base, I would take this mask that I made with a vacuum formula. Then I took the mask onto A4 paper sheets and started to draw the wood pattern. And then with a cutter, I cutted everything out. Yeah, I think that should fit. Then for the second layer, I covered the mask with tape. Then I took the tape off, cut it in, and had the perfect template. Then I combined everything as one piece and gutted everything out. And here you can see how I'm making the second layer that would go above it. Then I pasted everything on 5mm thick EVA foam and cut everything out. So, and now we have everything for the base. Then I took the Dremel and tried to make some wood patterns. And with this contact glue, I glue everything together. And here you can see the third layer that I made with 2mm EVA foam. And so I glued everything together. It still doesn't look as much, but just wait for it. With the soldering iron tool, I made just even more details. And then the moment of truth, gluing everything together. Yeah, doesn't look so bad. I think we can work with this. And for covering the mask, I used this thermo paint. And voila! Look at it! It looks really good. It took 3 layers of paint, but it looks awesome. And here you can see the acrylic colors that I was gonna use. And here you can see the sponge that I used. I mashed the colors together and then go smoothly over the mask. And wow, yeah, it doesn't look so bad. I wasn't really sure where I should go, but layer after layer, it came really well together. Then I took the gold color and painted the edges. And now it should look really well. And here is our Woodelf mask. I hope you like it. And this was a really special project because I had a kind of an idea where I should go to, but at the end it just came out totally different. But still, I'm really happy with the result, and I hope you had fun watching this episode. Till the next time, Mask signing out.